we have our eye hospital in Udhampur. We do free of cost cataract surgery for the needy and poor patients.
You have volunteers as well.
We volunteer ourselves, our club members.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Excel Express News. I'm your host, RITESH KAPOOR. Today, we are having a prime focus on service above self. When we talk about service towards the society, service towards the nation, service for well-being, then only we can think of having a progressed, developed, and safe and secure nation. We are happy that we are having two Rotarians today in our studio for discussing the core motto of their Rotary Club, that is service above self. We welcome Sanjeev, Vaid and Mehta in our studio. So before talking about the Rotary Club and their activities, I wish to request you to please introduce you and your Rotary Club to our viewers.
Hi, I'm Rotarian Sanjeev Vaid. I'm a district secretary of Rotary District 3070, which is comprising of J&K, Himachal and Punjab, as well Ladakh. I'm looking after youth services, and I'm executive secretary of Rotary Club of Jammu City.
I'm Mehta, retired bureaucrat. I am also a member of Rotary Club of Jammu City. My designation is club trainer, and for the district Rotary, I am the zonal chairman of Zone Jammu.
Before having the questionnaire for the Rotary Club and your activities again, I would like to know how many Rotary Clubs we have in Jammu City.
In Jammu City only we have 8 Rotary clubs, and in J&K we have around 20 clubs. We have clubs in Srinagar, we have club in Udhampur, we have club in Rajouri, Akhnoor, Samba, Kathua. So we have around 20 clubs in J&K.
And what differentiates these clubs?
There is no difference. Everybody is doing his own job. Since people of Ladakh, suppose Kathua, they cannot reach in Jammu, so they have their own programs over there. Likewise, Kashmir, they do their own programs. They do on environment and different kind of programs. Every club do their own job. Like in our club, we do lot many social works, like we do free of cost congenital heart disease, that is below children for below 18 years of age and belonging to below poverty line, and that is absolutely free of cost. We have tied up with Rotary National Heart Institute, Delhi, Escorts, and we on some elite hospitals. Beside that, we do lot many other works. We have our eye hospital in Udhampur. We do free of cost cataract surgery for the needy and poor patients. Likewise, we have so many projects in our hand which we do time to time, and we do lot.
Again, it's a social service and service above self for sure. Mehta, you just introduced yourself that you're a retired bureaucrat. What sparked your interest in Rotary Club and what Rotary Club is all about, as per you?
Well, Rotary Club, as you spelled it, service above self. Everywhere we can reach out to the community, wherever people are in need, and whatever we can do. In broader perspective, we help the poor, as my friend here has just told you, that we reach out to the needy and poor. We see that all those who have heart problems, we ensure that they get free heart surgery done at some of the leading institutions in India, medical institutions. Besides that, there's an eye hospital, free eye surgeries for the poor. Then in general, we reach out and we, warm clothing for poor, and plantation environment. So there are a lot of activities which we.
How you reach the people, those who need these services?
See, what we do, we generally assessing from our sources, wherever they are needy, we reach out and.
So you have volunteers as well?
Beg pardon?
You have volunteers as well?
We volunteer ourselves, our club members, and we generally have a pattern of our society We reach out in slums where we need that there are needy children. We distribute warm clothes in winters. We sometimes distribute even eatables. And then we see open spaces where in season we go in for plantations. So all this is so sparse.
Mr. Sanjeev, and my question to you is, can you share a Rotary project you are most proud of and why it mattered to you?
Yeah, I told you. अभी जैसे as I told you कि we do free of cost heart surgery children belonging to below poverty line and below 18 year of age. If you see, अगर आप किसी ऐसे बच्चे को देखो those who are suffering from this disease, आप जब उनके वापस ठीक होके घर आता है बच्चा, तो you can imagine कि how satisfied it is, कितना आपको satisfaction लगती है कि यार we have done such a wonderful job. अगर किसी के प्रोस्थेटिक हैंड्स या आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब आप किसी को प्रोवाइड करते हो, वो चलने के काबिल हो जाता है, वो कुछ करने के काबिल हो जाता है, तो यू फील प्राउड ऑन ये, दिस इज इनर सेटिस्फैक्शन यू फील. Beside that, we do lot many other projects which are we feel proud to be. Abhi recently there was a flood in Jammu, part of Jammu and as well in other part of J&K. So we provide free relief to the needy people, worth lakhs of rupees. That gives you a satisfaction. That is the only service above self is our motto, and we do that under that Rotary platform.
Do you have more number of doctors in your club?
Yeah, right now we don't have that much numbers of doctor, but in other part of our district as I told you, comprising of J&K, Himachal, Punjab and Ladakh, we have lot many doctor members in overall very prominent doctors are member of our. I would like to thank you because through you, as you asked him कि आपको कैसे लोगों से reach out करते हैं, this is the only source. लोगों को पता चलता है. I'm now telling you कि अब हम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सर्जरी कराते हैं, कैटरेक्ट की सर्जरी कराते हैं, हार्ट की सर्जरी कराते हैं, आर्टिफिशियल लिंग करते हैं, कैंप्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. तो ये लोगों को आपके थ्रू पता चलेगा. दिस इज आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर गिविंग अस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कन्वे अवर मैसेज टू द पब्लिक. तो दिस इज द ओनली वे वी कन्वे टू द पीपल. हम कुछ माउथ टू माउथ भी पब्लिसिटी करते हैं, भाई यार ये हम करते हैं, कोई ऐसा आपको दिखे तो काइंडली अप्रोच अस.
Social service will always be appreciated at every end. Mr. Robin Mehta, my question to you is, how do you balance your professional commitment with Rotary service oriented activities?
Well, right now, since I retired from my active service, I have varied experience. I have worked in about 6 different departments in the last 30 years. So all that experience I translated into whatever I can do in helping my society.
How actively you are involved in Rotary Club?
Well, the greater portion of my time is involved in Rotary itself. Otherwise, I'm an avid reader and I don't have any other activities besides social service and conducting my own study on various subjects.
Vaid, what advice you would give to someone considering joining Rotary for the first time?
Yeah, we have only two constraints. One should be willing to contribute for the society, whosoever want to join us. And we have very minimum amount of fee which we have to.
This is what I was about to ask. So
Yeah.
the person who wants to be a member of your club
Yeah.
needs to pay something for that,
Very nominal one. It's not.
and that is a one-time nominal amount
We charge every year.
every year.
If we can do one more thing, if you are not comfortable, so half yearly is also another option. But that we can discuss with the meeting of that member whosoever want to join. हम उसके साथ बैठ के मीटिंग लेते हैं, हम अपना उसको प्रोस्पेक्टिव बताते हैं, अपने विजन बताते हैं, अपने.
My add-on to this question is, as it's a social organization doing social services, if somebody wants to volunteer the services for this club, but not in a position to pay the membership fee, will you give a warm welcome to those people?
Certainly, it's always welcome. Whosoever want to join, we need more hands to work. तो हमें तो कोई इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Whosoever want to join in our projects, he or she can join anytime. That's always a welcome step.
Robin Mehta ji, आप कनाडा काफ़ी लंबा टाइम स्पेंड करके आए हैं, as we got to know that your family is there. How you see Rotary's role in fostering global understanding and peace?
Well, let me give you a brief background of Rotary International. It all started in 1905 in Chicago. It was started by an attorney, Mr. Paul B. Harris. He and three of their friends in one evening, while they were, having an evening chat, decided to do something for the society. That's how it started, and then slowly it spread all over the world. The first club started in India in 1920 in Calcutta. From there on, it grew, and today we have about 4,600 clubs in India. And we have got near about 1,70,000 members in India itself. We have different states. Though we are divided in different districts, our district, as my friend here, Mr. Sanjeev just told you, comprises of Himachal, greater part of Himachal, Punjab and J&K, Ladakh. But time to time we also have conferences and meetings where we go and interact with people from other districts. We also have international fellow exchange meets where people from different countries come here, try to understand our culture.
So there are exchange programs.
Yes, and then people from India also, Rotarians from India also go. Then we have global conferences where people participate all over. They go.
What is the source of funding in the organization?
The funding is all personal expenses. We do not believe in profit. Let me also give a little clarification on what you asked my friend Sanjeev here. Anybody who walks into a club has a membership fee. That membership fee is not retained by us. That goes to
Rotary Club
international. Yes, it goes to international district, and that is converted into a fund to help the needy all over the world. Part of that fund also comes back to India, and with the help of that fund, we carry out a lot of projects. In India, we have numerous projects all over.
So the Rotary Club International always supports Rotary Club Jammu Kashmir or India as well?
No, all over the world, all over India, all our districts get global funding. And that global funding is only after you have grant partners. Like Rotary Club Jammu City may tie up with some club in Japan or America. And we tell them this is our project, these are the needy people here, we need to help them. Then they study our case. And if they feel yes, they can do it, they reach out to us and then they give us about say 70% or 80% of funding is done by them, the rest is raised by us.
So you were part of J&K government as well?
Yes.
क्या J&K government ने Rotary Club को कभी any kind of support, whether it is financial, whether it is physical support provide की, या आपने कभी government को approach किया कि हमें अपना at least एक base तैयार करने के लिए जगह चाहिए?
ऐसा है कि Rotary all over the world don't make, like I said, it's not office of profit. At the same time, we don't have buildings or clubs physically, in a sense that there should be no misuse about it. So we generally meet in hotels and restaurants, and most of our donations go for the service of the needy. They don't go into construction of buildings and all that. Second, as you asked, we have never reached out to the government. Like I told you, we all volunteer from our own expenses.
But don't you think the government should also come forward and help clubs and NGOs like yours to boost the morale of the society?
Yes, in that case, you see, we have done numerous projects and where the government or the local administration has helped us. The district administration has helped us. Once we conducted a burn surgery camp. Let me also give you a little background on that. We carried out this surgery on about 30-35 children here in Jammu. 39?
Yeah.
To be precise. And this was done in Gandhinagar Hospital. Each cosmetic surgery cost something like 5 lakhs. It was absolutely free. We had a team of some of the best 5 doctors who flew in from India. They stayed in Jammu. The district administration, the then Deputy Chief Minister also supported us. The entire medical fraternity was with us. The director, medical, also gave instructions to his doctors in Gandhinagar. And we were all working as a team. So that 1 week of that plastic surgery camp was a complete success. So the government, if whenever we reach out, like we have been always doing in the past, the administration has always come to our help. But as far as funding is, we have never asked for funds. and so far. So in case in future if we do so, we don't know whether they'll help or not, but so far we have done it with our own expenses.
I would add on to this. Actually, you are right. We need a space where we can start a community center for the women's. We can do lot many projects. But rightly said, we have not approached the government. But we
So it is high time you should go and approach the government for that.
Yes.
Vaid sir, you are associated with Rotary Club from very long.
Yeah.
How has Rotary helped you grow as a leader and as a person?
Yeah, Rotary, since he is senior to me in Rotary, but I tell you, Rotary has given me lot many, satisfaction, recognition, whatever you say. I'm part of another organization. I'm trustee of one trust. We are going to do this Dogra Samman Award on 22nd this month only. So Parmeshwari Charitable Trust के बैनर के नीचे we are going to do the Legacy Award in our theatre. I'm also associated with one organization, Sahyog India, which is working for the specially abled children. So it is sort of satisfaction you get all.
So Rotary Club, as per both of you, is not only a community service, but it also helps your, growth in development, whether in whatever aspect you talk about. Mr. Robin Mehta, my question to you is not actually a question, is advice to the viewers for your Rotary Club and how they should join and why they should join the Rotary Club.
Well, you framed this question earlier also to my friend Mr. Sanjeev. You see, there are a lot of people who come and join, but they don't have that sense of, that kind of service which you have to give to the society at large, because it involves time and money. Of course, the money part is very minimal, but of course time. Time is important. So a lot of people, when they come, they get attracted to Rotary with a different perception altogether, generally walk out. So I would advise that all those who want to join Rotary clubs should have a sense of service. एक सेवा भाव होनी चाहिए, और वो अगर रोटरी में आते हैं उनके पास समय होना चाहिए. They should have time, and they should be able to give their best. All those who are willing to do so are welcome. Our doors are open. We want more members. Another thing which I would like to clarify, yes, like you said, if somebody is not able to pay, he will not be registered in a club, in a sense like all registered members have to donate to the Rotary International. Like I said earlier, all this fund goes directly to Rotary International headquarters, and that money in a pool is then distributed all over the world for global grants, as global grants for projects all over the world. And we are proud that our money is somewhere in Africa, somewhere in South America or in other poor countries. Our money is being used for helping the poor there, like for drinking water purposes, for literacy, or for health missions. So we feel that even 1 rupee which I'm contributing is helping somebody in a different corner of the world. And the money which those people are contributing, that money is helping the needy in India. And this also answers your earlier question as to global reach. So this is the global connect. And then we also have a chapter, peace and conflict. In peace and conflict, we want that, the world, in different places, we are seeing conflict today. We are seeing the Russian-Ukraine war, and we are seeing, the Middle East crisis. And at the same time, we had a recent Pakistan-India war. And we have Rotarians across Pakistan also. They also have participated a number of times in India. So people to people we connect. But then this conflict, for varied reasons, I will not go into that, or for whatever political reasons or vested international interests, we wish peace for the world. We want the conflict should not be there.
What advice you would like to give to the viewers, in short?
Regarding peace?
Regarding Rotary Club and peace.
Yes, see, Rotary Club, while we reach out, we do not see caste and color, we do not see creed, we just see that somebody is needy, is a human being.
That is what we are actually looking forward to. Rotary Club is not for caste, color and creed. They want just one thing, that is service towards the community. They have constraints, that is the reason they want members, and they are keeping a nominal fee for the members. And I think government should come forward and understand their needs, understand their requirements, and provide them a space so that whatever services they are coming up with and whatever services they want to provide to the society, they should be able to come up with that. So viewers, this is all about Rotary Club, and hopefully we'll be able to get more number of volunteers in a Rotary Club, Jammu City as well. Thank you and have a nice day.